In fact, more breaking news coming in at this point in time. Maya Kodnani has been granted bail by the Gujarat High Court. This, of course, comes after the Justice Anant Dave of the Gujarat High Court had earlier recused himself from hearing the case. Another bench today heard the case. Now, it was supposed to come up on July 30th, that is today. Now, she has been granted bail by the court. This comes nearly 2 years after conviction. Kodnani, in fact, had filed a plea through her advocate seeking regular bail on grounds of her worsening health as well as questioning, in fact, the lower court's verdict that was against her. Abhishek is on the phone line with me with more details. Yes, Abhishek, take us through what you're picking up on this. We do understand that she's been granted bail by the Gujarat High Court.
Well, yes, she has been given a regular bail, and the court, while giving this order, basically went through the merits of the case as also the medical condition of Mayabin, who has been under treatment for quite some time now, since she was in fact granted a temporary or interim bail by a lower court in last year, in fact, about 8 months back. So for that long a period, she has been outside and she has been getting treatment, and her condition, we are told, is not improving, and that was also the argument of her lawyers inside the court, and giving credence to that, the fact that her condition, her psychological condition basically is not improving. Her mental health, the suffering she has gone through because of this court verdict of 28 years of jail that was slapped on her in the Naroda Patia case for being a conspirator and for leading a charge of the mob that went berserk and led to the deaths of about 90 odd people in that case. So Mayabin Kodnani has suffered emotionally and mentally for that, and that is why she was given an interim bail, because her condition was deteriorating in the jail. She is also suffering from blood pressure issues, and so the bail has now been regularized, and she would of course continue to be out of jail now on a regular bail as well.
Now, apart from, of course, the health reasons that she cited, she's also questioned the lower court's evaluation of evidence. She's been claiming that 11 witnesses who actually nailed her had discrepancies in their statements.
Well, yes, those are the nitty-gritties of the argument that were there, but and that is why I said that apart from her medical condition, the court also went into the merits of the case and granted regular bail. So in effect, this is a big relief for her and some of the other accused, possibly, given the fact that it sets a precedence, the fact that after being jailed for 28 years, she now gets regular bail.
Right. Thank you for those details.